Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed viewers, I welcome you to an enlightening review presented by myself, John Waite. Join me on an intriguing exploration of the world of internet marketing. Your presence here today is highly valued, and I am honored to have you with me. Are you ready to catapult your income to extraordinary heights, reaching an impressive $10,000 per month? I urge you to click on the first link in the description and gain access to the transformative 100K Alliance, a community that thrives on excellence. Now, let us delve into this compelling review, where I present not just one or two, but an impressive array of 4 exceptional bonuses that will undoubtedly captivate your attention. Our first bonus provides a gateway to a vast network of 250,000 engaged email subscribers, replenishing your list each and every Friday. I offer precise guidance and reveal valuable strategies to effectively tap into this valuable resource. Additionally, I present a self-hosted autoresponder solution, allowing you to optimize your email marketing capabilities without incurring exorbitant expenses. Witness the power of these invaluable tools as you propel your email marketing endeavors to unprecedented levels of success. However, the excitement does not end there. Prepare to be enthralled by our second bonus, a remarkable traffic method that resonates within the marketing landscape, even in the ever-evolving year of 2023. Experience an influx of targeted traffic flooding your offers, blogs, and websites, igniting exponential growth and amplifying your online presence. Embrace this transformative opportunity and become a driving force in your industry. But that is not all. Our third bonus unlocks the potential within the realm of YouTube. I am delighted to share strategies that will position your videos at the pinnacle of search results, enabling you to garner substantial views, engagement, and a loyal subscriber base. Embrace this chance to solidify your presence on one of the most influential platforms, propelling your brand to unprecedented levels of recognition and success. Last but certainly not least, our fourth bonus offers an exclusive chance to promote Empire, a premium product crafted by my esteemed mentor. By aligning yourself with this flagship offering, you'll seize the opportunity to earn a compelling 100% commission throughout the entire sales funnel. Embrace the prestige and financial rewards that accompany the promotion of this exceptional product. Now, esteemed guests, the time has come to embrace the limitless possibilities that await, but allow me to offer a gentle reminder. The path to success begins with a single click. Follow the first link in the description to join the ranks of the 100K Alliance, a reputable haven for aspiring achievers. And if you are eager to obtain the product under scrutiny, do not hesitate. Click on the second link to embark on an unparalleled journey of growth and enlightenment. Secure your seatbelts, dear viewers, as we engage in a thrilling expedition toward prosperity and fulfillment. Thank you for your presence, and I eagerly anticipate our shared pursuit of excellence.
Hello, my dear friends. I'm back again with another big moneymaker launch for you. First, I want to thank you all for the amazing support you have given so far. You guys are the best. So, back to the launch, I want to invite you to my next big unique moneymaker launch, and just like my last launches, this is going to be a massive converter. So regarding the product, if you're tired of promoting low converting same old products and want to offer your customers something new and fresh which gets instant and live results, then you will love this. Allow me to introduce AI Video Deals. So this is a brand new, innovative and never seen before app that creates unlimited kids story videos in just minutes, which can attract millions of views, subscribers, and can generate massive commission and sales without any kind of hard work, skills, or creativity. So why kids story videos in middle of IM? Why a completely unconventional way? So you see right now the competition and attention for traffic and sales online is unimaginable. Plus with AI getting popular, it's even more competitive. That is why you need to capture the untapped the unconventional, the unbelievable section where competition is low and profits are insanely high. And that is why this is a gold mine, a completely unexplored and very highly profitable niche. So this is nothing like you have ever seen before. All it takes is just three simple steps to create a highly engaging, professional, and profitable animated kids story video with AI video tales. And the best part, your customer just needs to give a keyword, and our app will create it will create a story script, generate images, generate a nice voiceover, add some background music, merge them all into a nice, engaging, and a professional video for you, all just in 2 to 3 clicks and in just few minutes. So again, the product name is AI Video Tales, and it goes live by 10 a.m. EST on 23rd November only in Farrier Plus. So as you know me, I have done over 50 plus launches with over $8 million in revenue in the last few years, and I'm one of the top affiliate and vendor in the entire Farrier Plus platform. So I know very well on what to do and how to do. So trust me, this is gonna convert like anything you have seen till date. This is gonna mint you some big money. So please mark the date, November 23rd, 10 a.m. EST, and the product name is AI Video Tales. And this goes live only on Farrier Plus. So please hit me up if you ever need anything for this promo. And thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.